Some chase victory, others chase the impossible.
We're not just here to compete, we're here to push the limits.
For us, it's about building something faster than anyone thought possible.
From a classroom in Singapore to the world's fastest track.
We have spent hundreds of hours testing, rebuilding, tuning every fraction of a second.
It's not just about speed. It's about precision, obsession, belief.
Behind every fraction of a second lies more than engineering. Logistics that keep us on track, innovation that pushes us forward, sustainability that drives every decision, and teamwork that binds it all together.
Limits are only milestones. Records are only markers. The future belongs to those who dare to go faster.
We want to go down in the books, not just as competitors, but as the team that redefines speed.
Team XCLerate, representing Singapore.
Built on resilience, powered by innovation, driven by teamwork.
Racing not just for a win, but to go beyond.